Today we will discuss calculation of curl of a given vector. Basically, curl gives the rotational effect on the vector field. Let us consider a vector p bar like this, that is x square yz ax plus xz az. Find curl of this vector, that is del cross p bar. How we can find? Before proceeding that, let us write magnitude of that p along x direction, y direction and z direction. Magnitude of p along x is this one, that is x square yz ax, sorry, x square yz, this part only. And what about py? Py equal to 0 and pz is what? Z is this one, that is x. Now we need to write formula. Of course, we discussed this curl formula in previous class. That is del cross p in Cartesian coordinate system. P is in x, y, z. Means it is in Cartesian coordinate system. Unit vector along x direction ax, unit vector along y direction ay, unit vector along z direction az. Next, write this vector components. Del component. Component of del along x direction is dou by dou x in Cartesian. Along y direction it is dou by dou y. Along direction it is dou by dou z. Similarly, write the p component, means px, py, pz. What is px? Okay, let us write px like this. Next here py, next pz. Now expand this one. If you expand this del cross p, this expansion is very simple. We need to apply some basic logic like this. X after x, y, take y, after y, z, after z, no element. You need to go for first element, that is x, like this, x to y, y to z, z to x. Start with a unit vector along x direction ax. Here x is over, remaining are 2, that is y and z. After x you need to take like this, that is dou by dou y minus dou by dou z. The expansion of this determinant. Okay, you need to take this ax, eliminate this row and this column, take the cross product like this. That is what? Dou by dou y pz minus dou by dou z py. Instead of doing all these things, we can apply some logic like this. After x, y, after y, z, like this. Write down this vector components. Here, y, write down here, take this z here, that is pz, z component, and for this take this vector y component, that is py. Over now, very simple. Next, go for what? Ay. What I said, after y, we need to take what? Z. That is dou by dou z. Of course, here some magnitude component of that p we have to write. After z, we have to write what? X. Now fill with that px, py, pz. And here y is over z. You need to focus on z and x only. Here, right? X na. So that's why I am taking here px. Here z, write down the z here, that is p z. Similarly, last one, what is last component? That is az, az. What I said after z, we need to take what? X. So that's why here write x component, that is dou by dou x minus after x I have to write what? Dou by dou y. Here y component write down here, that is py, and x component here, that is px. That much of simple expansion of curl in Cartesian. Of course, it is applicable to cylindrical also. Of course, we need to more care about that rho pi z. That means H1, H2, H3 components. Here H1, H2, H3 are ones, so that's why this expansion is very simple like this. Now substitute this Px, Py, Pz in this one, and you will get what? Del cross P. Del cross P is equal to Ax into dou Pz by dou y. Dou Pz by dou y. That is dou by dou y. Pz is what? Xz. Xz minus dou by dou z of y component. Of course, y component is what? 0. Okay. Py component. Here Py is 0 now. Next plus Ay. Plus Ay. After y, we need to go for z. That is dou by dou z. Here Px. You can see here it is Px. What is Px value? That is x square y z. Write down the Px. Given Px. Minus dou by dou x. Pz. What is Pz value? That is xz. Plus az. Plus az. After z, of course, it is what? Dou by dou x. And here you need to write what? This py. What is py? What is py? That py is nothing but what? Py is 0. Py is 0. And after x, you need to go for what? Y. And x component. What about x component? Here you have that is x square y z. X square y z. X square y z. This is actually x square y z. X square y z. Now simplify this. You will get Ax. This differentiation with respect to y means xz is treated as constant. Differentiation of constant is 0. Of course, this is also 0. Ay partial differentiation means here partial differentiation with respect to z means x square y are treated as constant. With respect to z gives what? 1. And differentiation of xz, z is treated as constant. Differentiation of x with respect to x gives 1. Plus az. Here it is 0. Differentiation with respect to y means x square z is treated as constant. And we can write this simplified expression, that is our del cross p bar is equal to what? That is ay into x square y minus z plus, or else we can write like this also, minus a into, write down like this, here unit vector, and plus into minus, that is x square z a z. This is all about the calculation of the curl of a vector if it is given in Cartesian coordinate system. Okay, the expansion of determinant is very simple. We need to remember one thing: after x, we need to go for y. After y, z. After z, again x. Like that. Suppose we started with az. After z, x. After z, x. Okay. After x, y. Like that. Okay. We will solve another problem in cylindrical coordinate system. Cylindrical coordinate system. Cylindrical coordinate system means components are in. That means vector is functions of what? Rho phi z. Rho phi z. Let us take a vector q bar. These functions are rho pi z like this. That is rho sin pi a rho. Rho sin pi a rho plus rho sin a pi plus cos phi az. Cos phi az. Now find curl of this one, that is del cross q bar. In order to find this, you need to write what? First q row component. What is q row? That is rho sin phi. That means except unit vector, you need to consider the remaining part. Except unit vector here, we have to consider this rho sin phi. Next, q pi means except this unit vector a pi, we have to consider what? That rho square z. And last one, that is qz is equal to what? Cos phi. Now coming to formula for curl in cylindrical coordinate system is nothing but what? Del cross q bar is equal to 1 by rho. Unit vector along rho direction is 0. Unit vector along phi, you have to take like this one. It is h2 rho a pi a z. Since phi is angle made by rho in cylindrical coordinate system. Now dou by dou rho, dou by dou pi, dou by dou z. These are the del components. Coming to q components. Remember one thing. If you want to write q component, you have to consider like this. That means here a row, copy this one. Instead of a row, q row. Here you have row. A pi means q pi like this, and az means that is q like this. Instead of this a row, a pi, az, replace this a row, a pi, az as q row, q pi. That much of simple. This formula. Of course, you have to remember this 1 by rho. What is 1 by rho? Actually, it is this 1 by rho gives h1, h2, h3 is equal to what? 1 into rho into 1. That equal to rho. H1 is 1, h2 is rho, h3 is also 1. So that's why h1, h2, h3, 1 by h1, h2, h3. Basically this one. Now expand this one. 1 by rho is multiplied by a row into, here notation is what you have to remember like this. After row pi, after pi z, after z you have to go for what? Row like this. Now write a row. What I said, after you need to go for what? Pi, that is dou by dou pi. After pi you have to go for what? Minus dou by dou pi of some component minus dou by dou z, dou by dou z. And what about the z component here? You have to see here only, that is q z, q z. Dou by dou z, you need to write this pi component, that pi component. What about pi component in the determinant? That is rho q pi. You have to see this whole thing. You need to consider this whole thing. Plus, okay, of course, this is a row into this one. A row is rho 1. Next, this 1 by rho is multiplied by whole thing. That is next a pi. What I said, after a pi, after pi, I need to go for what? Z, that is dou by dou z into something minus, after z, I have to go for where? Rho, that is dou rho. Now write down z component. What about z component here? That is qz. That is qz. And write down rho component. What about rho component? That is just q rho. Okay. Now last one, that is az. I am writing here only. Is it visible? Az. After z, listen carefully. After z, I need to go for where? Rho, that is dou rho. That is dou by dou rho. So that's why I am writing differential element dou by dou rho of something. Of course, it is pi component. After z rho, next I need to go for what? Pi. That is dou by dou pi. And here write down rho component. What about rho component here you have? That is q rho. Okay, I forgot to tell one thing here. A row, az a rho into something, az into something. But here rho a pi, we need to consider like this. It is plus rho into a pi. Instead of a pi, you have to consider this rho a pi. Okay, z dou by dou rho, and I have to take what pi component. What about pi component? Rho q pi. Rho q pi dou by dou pi dou by dou pi q rho. Okay, close this one and entire whole bracket. I am taking this 1 by rho is multiplied with whole thing. Okay, now simplify this one. Of course, this problem is simple, but we need to concentrate more. Okay, then del cross q bar. Actually, what is q function? Q rho. I think it is rho sin. Let us take any rho sin pi. Next q pi. Q rho q pi. I think rho sin pi a rho. Q pi I had given rho square z. If I am correct. And qz. What is qz? That is cos pi. Or else take any random function. Okay. Actually, in the previous problem, I had given our discussion started with I had given q as what? Q as what? I think Q is I had given rho sin pi a rho sin pi a plus rho square z a pi plus cos z. This is Q. The Q rho is like this. Then del cross P bar is equal to what? This part 1 by rho into. Simply you have to substitute all these things. Okay, 1 by rho a rho dou by dou pi of 1 by rho into a rho. I will write this a rho after this entire part. Okay, dou by dou pi of qz, that is dou by dou pi of qz. Qz is qz is minus dou by dou z of rho cube pi, rho into cube pi, that is rho cube, rho square into rho square z, rho cube z plus, of course I have to write what unit vector a plus 1 by rho into 1 by rho into 1 by rho into what you have here, rho into a pi. Of course, that 1 by rho, this rho is cancelled out. No need to worry about that rho for this case. Dou by dou z, dou by dou z of q rho. What is q rho? That is rho sin pi. Rho sin pi minus dou by dou z of qz. What is qz? Cos pi plus, of course, it is what? A pi. I am writing last term, that is az here. Az into dou by dou rho q pi, rho into q pi, that is rho cube z. Q pi is rho square z minus dou by dou pi of dou by dou pi of dou pi of q rho. That is what rho sin pi. We forgot one thing. What is that? This 1 by rho is multiplied with this whole thing. So that's why you have to write this 1 by rho here into az like this. And simplify this one, you will get, that is what, 1 by rho into differentiation of cos pi with respect to pi means minus sin pi. Differentiation of this one with respect to z means what? With respect to z, that is We can write this as what? Minus rho cube into 1. Of course, it is a rho. Plus dou by dou z means here no component. It is taken as constant. It is constant. Differentiation of constant. Partial differentiation with respect to z. These are treated as constants. So that's why that is 0, 0 plus 0 minus. It is also differentiation, partial differentiation with respect to z, cos phi, that is a pi plus 1 by rho with respect to rho. Z is constant. Differentiation of rho cube gives the rho square into z minus differentiation with respect to pi. Rho is constant. Differentiation of sin pi gives what? Cos pi into a z. Now simplified one is nothing but what? We can write this as 1 by rho, 1 by rho, or else we can take minus sign as common, that is 1 by rho minus 1 by rho sin pi plus rho cube into a rho, and here this rho cancelled out, here also rho cancelled out. Okay, this rho, okay, that gives what? 3 minus cos pi into a. Please see here, it is what? I think here we have to dou by dou rho. It is az, after z rho, pi component means rho square z, that is rho dou by dou pi. This is all about the calculation of the curl of the given vector if it is in cylindrical coordinate system. Thing is, calculation or else remembering formula is simple, but we need more patience. Of course, we need to concentrate more. Okay, this is all for calculation of the curl of a given vector in Cartesian and cylindrical. Okay, take any vector in spherical coordinate system and find the curl of that vector. It is homework for you. Thank you for watching.